Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Switchmate is probably one of the most innovative solutions for smart home enthusiasts looking to effortlessly control their lighting without complex wiring or professional installation, offering a seamless blend of convenience and modern technology that transforms any room into a connected space with just a simple snap. Number 5. Kasa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220. Introducing the Kasa Smart Dimmer Switch. It brings intelligent control to your home's lighting, making everyday tasks easier. Setting up is a breeze with step-by-step guidance through the Kasa or Tapo app. We recommend a neutral wire and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection for optimal performance. Never worry about leaving lights on again. You can effortlessly control your lights from anywhere using just your smartphone and the Kasa app. Enjoy the ultimate convenience of voice control. Simply use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to manage your lights, perfect for when your hands are full. Create a soothing atmosphere for bedtime. You can set the lights to fade on with a simple click, or gently fade off as your child falls asleep. Automate your lighting with advanced scheduling and timer options. You can even enable away mode to simulate presence and deter potential intruders. What we like. This smart dimmer offers a gentle fade-off feature, perfect for bedtime routines. If you have young children or want a more peaceful transition to darkness, you should consider this. It also includes an away mode to simulate occupancy, adding an extra layer of security. What people say. The Switchmate is a simple and elegant solution to make your existing light switches smart. It easily snaps onto your existing toggle light switch in seconds, no wiring required. You can control your lights from your smartphone or tablet using the Switchmate app, or with voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 4. Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200P3. Setting up your new smart light switch is a breeze. The Kasa or Tapo app provides step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Just ensure you have a neutral wire and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Never worry about leaving the lights on again. With the Kasa app on your smartphone, you can monitor and control your lights from anywhere, whether you're at home, at the office, or on vacation. Enjoy the ultimate convenience of hands-free lighting control. Simply use your voice with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to turn your lights on or off, perfect for when your hands are full. Set your lights to turn on and off automatically with custom schedules or countdown timers. You can even enable away mode to simulate occupancy and deter potential intruders. Designed and developed in Silicon Valley, this smart switch is trusted by millions and UL certified for safety. It's compatible with Android 5.0 Plus and iOS 10 Plus systems. This smart light switch requires a neutral wire for installation and operates on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. It's a reliable and easy way to upgrade your home's lighting. What we like. This is a cost-effective 3-pack option from a trusted brand, ideal for outfitting multiple rooms at once. If you're looking to upgrade several lights simultaneously and want a reliable, user-friendly system, this is a great choice. It offers robust scheduling features to automate your home. What people say. The Switchmate is a simple and elegant solution to make your existing light switches smart. It installs in seconds over your existing switch, no wiring needed. Control your lights from your phone or with voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 3. Kasa Smart 3-Way Switch HS210KIT. Introducing the Kasa Smart 3-Way Switch. It offers app-guided installation, making setup straightforward. Just follow the steps in the Kasa or Tapo app. This versatile switch works in 3-way or single-pole configurations. Control your lights from 1 or 2 locations, perfect for staircases or garages. Manage your lights remotely using the Kasa or Tapo app. Whether you're at home or away, you can turn lights on or off with ease. Enjoy the convenience of voice control. It seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free operation of your lights. Set schedules to automate your lighting. You can schedule lights to turn on or off, or even use the away mode for added security. Designed and developed in Silicon Valley, it's trusted by millions. UL certified for safety, you can rely on its performance and security. What we like. This smart switch is designed for three-way setups, allowing you to control a light from two different locations. If you have lights at the top and bottom of stairs, or in a hallway with multiple entrances, this is the perfect solution. It offers the convenience of app and voice control from anywhere. What people say. Easy to install and set up. Works with Alexa and Google Home. Can control lights remotely via smartphone app. Number 2. TREATLIFE Smart Light Switch Single Pole, 4-pack. Control your home lights hands-free with just your voice. These smart switches work seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings for ultimate convenience. Manage your lights from your smartphone using the SmartLife app. Turn them on or off, set schedules, and monitor status from anywhere, anytime. Automate your lighting with custom schedules and timers. Save energy and create the illusion of occupancy for enhanced security when you're away. Enjoy smart home convenience without the need for a separate hub. These switches connect directly to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Please note that a neutral wire is required for installation. These are single-pole switches and do not support dimming or three-way setups. These switches are FCC certified for safety and reliability. Our support team is ready to assist you with any questions or issues. What we like. This is a 4-pack of simple on-off smart switches, perfect for bulk upgrades. If you need to add smart functionality to multiple rooms without the need for dimming and want a straightforward, voice-activated experience, this is an excellent value. It integrates seamlessly with major voice assistants. What people say. Easy to install and set up. Works great with Alexa and Google Home. The app is user-friendly and allows for customization. Number 1. TREATLIFE Smart Dimmer Switch 4-pack. Introducing the TREATLIFE Smart Dimmer Switch 4-pack. Effortlessly control your home's lighting with advanced features and easy setup. These smart switches are designed to work with dimmable LED, CFL, and incandescent bulbs. Please ensure your bulbs are dimmable and not smart bulbs for optimal performance. A neutral wire is required for installation, and it supports single-pole setups. Pairing is simple with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and no additional hub is needed. Enjoy hands-free control with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can also manage your lights remotely from anywhere using our intuitive smart app. Set personalized schedules to automate your lighting and create the perfect ambience. You can even share access with family members for shared convenience. Achieve the perfect lighting level with smooth 1% to 100% dimming. It remembers your last setting, ensuring your preferred ambience is always maintained. What we like. This 4-pack of smart dimmer switches allows for customizable lighting ambience. If you enjoy setting the mood with adjustable brightness levels and want to outfit multiple rooms with this feature, this is the ideal choice. It works with popular voice assistants for hands-free control and offers remote access. What people say. Easy to install and set up. Works with Alexa and Google Home. Can control lights remotely from your phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.